What's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about Bitnile Holdings. Once again, that's Bitnile Holdings with the ticker symbol NILE. Guys, if you like the information and analysis that I'm providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. So Bitnile Holdings yesterday closed at a price of 0.55. It is down negative 4.94%, and it's still down negative 1.84% at the price of 0.5399 during the after hours. Now, if you go to fintel.io, the short interest for the stock is 11.85%. Off-exchange short volume ratio 8,792,415 shares. Off-exchange short volume ratio of 52.98%. Now, guys, if you go to Benzinga, okay, on March 16, 2022, so that should be a month ago, this stock was upgraded to a buy by Spartan Securities. So it says here, what is the target price for Bitnile Holdings? NILE, the latest target price for Bitnile Holdings was reported by Spartan Securities Group on March 16, 2022. The analyst firm set a price target for $7, expecting NILE to rise within 12 months. Two analyst firms have reported ratings in the last year. So besides Spartan Securities Group, there's also one analyst, which is Ascendiant Capital, that initiated a buy signal on this security. So guys, yesterday, Milton Todd Alt III, he tweeted NILE expects to report April 15th its audited results for 2021. Bitnile Holdings 10K should be available by 2:30 Pacific time, 5:30 Eastern. So today it's April 15, so we actually have this report. So he tweeted that I'm happy to say that NILE reported today, as of December 31st, 2021, it had over $490 million in total assets and $228 million in stockholders' equity. I am thrilled at the progress made in 5 years, but the goal of building a holding company continues. Okay, so he also stated here that when my wife and I bought control of NILE in late 2016, the company had less than $5 million in assets and was facing delisting from NYSE, as it didn't have enough stockholder equity to meet the continued listing requirements. So, guys, it only shows here his confidence that in the equity and the security regarding the stock, because it tells me that the company itself is improving. Now, let's try to take a look at the SEC report that is available now in the SEC website. I pulled this out from the SEC website, guys. So let's scroll up here. So there are two important things that I would like to point out to you guys. So for the year ended December 31st, so it's trying to compare December 2020 or the fiscal year 2020 and 2021. So you scroll down here, so what's outstanding in this report, guys, is the total assets of Bitnile Holdings currently for the fiscal as of December 31st, 2021 is $490 million, as compared to the total assets on December 31st, 2020, which is $75 million, approximately $75,643,000. So that's pretty outstanding, guys. It's more than half. So these guys, they improved more than 50% in just 1 year. Okay, and if we scroll up, people are asking what is the available shares, total available shares of Bitnile Holdings. There were 268,307,612 shares of common stock outstanding as of April 11, 2022. Okay, so guys, this is an audited 10K. You can find this information available in the SEC website. Okay, so as you can see here, this current people are talking about it now. People are happy to see the financial results. Like I said, guys, this only until the financial results was only audited up until December of last year. So if we go back here, the expects a report on April 15 of its audited results for 2021. Okay, so we have more report, positive reports that coming up for this year because of the additional Bitcoin Bitcoin miners that they have just installed in their facility, guys. So that's very, very important. Now, if you go to Insider Monkey, guys. So this is just an additional information for this video that I'm making. It says here, if you go up on top, this article is released today. 10 meme stock redditors are buying in April. So if you go scroll down, number 9 is Bitnile Holdings, the ticker symbol NILE. Okay, so let's scroll down. Let's see how that things go. Bitnile Holdings makes and sells power system solutions. On April 5th, the company announced that it had invested in around $120 million in data center in Michigan for Bitcoin mining operations. So on top of what we're seeing now as their asset, the next one, we will see the Bitcoin mining facility included. The results of that in their next audited report. Okay, so guys, I'm very happy with this report. Like I said, I'm long in Bitnile. I want Bitnile in my portfolio. I want to see them grow in my portfolio. Okay, so hopefully we can see a more outstanding report the next quarters. Also, if you notice, this report is filed today, April 15, wherein the market is closed. One thing for sure, I think there's two things that you can that you can take a look in this scenario. First is on Bitnile Holdings want to capitalize on the positive report that this may have in the next trading day, which will be Monday. Hopefully that will give positive reviews from investors, right? And they want to capitalize in the pre-market hours. Okay, that's so hopefully a lot of people will come again and start investing in the stock. Okay, so as you guys can see, people are talking about in Twitter, even in the Reddit, and of course it has a positive sentiment. Nile fair value of $2 to $4. Right now they're saying that the stock is way undervalued. Is that something good for you guys to hear? I know it is. Okay, put your comments in the comments section below. Okay, I'll be happy to answer them all for you. All right, and of course, guys, I'd like to thank all those people in Twitter, like Moon Markets, Stockwitch, right, Teacher. You know who you guys are. BM Traders, yeah, Teacher, right, Stockwitch, especially you, Stockwitch, and also those people in Reddit. Once again, the MTG Sharp guy. You know, you guys know who you are. I appreciate all of your help. Without you guys, I won't be able to make this deep. So for the technical analysis, as you can see here, we have a potential double bottom in this chart. Okay, so if we zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out. Okay, so we have reached that bottom again of 0.55 cents where all this thing started. So we have a potential to go back up. Okay, if we break down that red candle right there, we break it down, you can see the confirmation green candle over there. Hopefully you guys can see all that. So as I mentioned before, we have a gap to fill, and we're gonna fill that gap up pretty soon. Okay, we have the stochastics is pretty low, which means that the stochastics, yeah, it's pretty low. Also your RSI here is pretty low, so we have a lot of room to the upside in this stock. Okay, so if you go to your 5-minute time frame, I'm expecting your VWAP to finally go ahead and reclaim the 9 EMA, the 50 EMA, and your 200 EMA. Okay, so we have a support here at 0.55 cents. The next resistance will be around here, 0.57 cents. That's your next resistance. And after that, we can start talking about 0.63 all the way to $1, which we almost reached previously. Okay, so everybody's hyped about Bitnile Holdings for some reasons. Todd Milton is a showman. He is active in Twitter. He is actually active in YouTube. So I think the main reason why they released the earnings report on weekends or on long weekends is because they want to capitalize on the pre-market hours. And of course like I said, these stock this security have a lot of things in the horizon. Okay, so guys, if you like the information and analysis that I provided you in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.